The brush ring assembly consists of the carbon brushes, the brush holders, the brush tension springs, and the plastic ring that secures it all together. The brushes conduct electricity to the armature. Over time, they will wear out. If the tool is overloaded, the brush leads, tension springs, and holders can be burnt. This can also cause the plastic mount to melt or warp. Replacing the brush ring assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the battery and then disassembling one half of the housing. I'll use a knife to cut through the sticker at the base of the handle. And now I can separate the two halves. Now I'll lift the switch and remove the change lever. I'll use a small screwdriver to pull the connector away from the housing. This connector connects the LED lights on the front of the tool to the switch. And I'll separate the connector. Now I can lift the gearbox and motor assembly away from the housing. And I'll pull this assembly away from the brushes. Now I can remove the old brush ring. I'll take note of the wire locations and then remove them. And now I can install the new brush ring. Now I'll reinstall the motor and gearbox assembly. I'll insert the commutator through the brush ring. To do that, I'll need to pull back the brushes. Now I'll begin aligning the motor with the housing. I'll reconnect the wire for the LED lights at the front of the tool. And now I need to reinstall the change lever. You'll notice the change lever is cut out on one side, and that cutout fits around the wire connector. So I'll place the change lever into the housing, align the post on the switch with the notch in the change lever, and then as I insert this into the housing, I'll make sure that the wire connector slides down into the recess in the housing. I'll make sure I have all the wires tucked out of the way. Like that. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the other half of the housing. The battery clip can be a little bit of an oddball. I want to make sure that I have both ends of the clip installed in the housing before I install the other half. I'll make sure everything is aligned. And then secure it with the screws. And that's how easy it is to replace the brush ring assembly in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.